my friend, but it doesn't bother him at all. He just walks along as the raindrops fall. 7 years ago, he came into this town alone, acting as the president of a country all his own. But he's still gotta live, and he's still gotta fight. He's still got to sleep somewhere every night, and he's gotta grow up, but he's gotta stay young, and he's got to have his cake before his song is sung. Just the other day, a little birdie came to me. He said, "What's the matter, man? How come you don't see?" I said to him, "Don't worry, this is not the end. I've been doing fine, but it's raining on my friend."